Hello students, let's read this question. Given here are some shapes from 1 to 8. We have to classify each of them on the basis of the following. A is simple curve, B is simple closed curve, C is polygon, D is convex polygon, and E is concave polygon. So let's define what is simple curve. So the simple curve is a curve that does not that doesn't intersect itself. And second is simple closed curve. Simple closed curve is a curve that does not intersect itself and end at same starting point. C is polygon. So polygon is a closed figure with straight sides formed by connecting three or more line segment. And fourth is convex polygon. So convex polygon is a polygon where all interior angles are less than 180 degree and no sides or vertices point inward. And last one is concave polygon. So it is a polygon with at least one interior angle greater than 180 degree causing part of the shape to cave in or point inward. This is the definition of concave polygon. Now let's identify or classify each of them on the basis of the following. So we can say that if we write all the names A, B, C, D and E, which are A is simple curve and B is simple closed curve and C is polygon and D is convex polygon and E is concave polygon. Then we can easily say that 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 are simple curve. Why? Because they are not intersecting itself. So we can simply write 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 are simple curves. Now, what is simple closed curve? Simple closed curve are 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 because they are not intersecting itself as well as they are closed curves. So it come under simple closed curve definition. So we can simply write 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7 are simple closed curves. Let's find out what are polygons. So we can see that 1 and 2 are the only polygons because they are the ones which are curved using or made using simple straight line segments and they are closed curves. So they come under the definition of polygon. So we can say 1 and 2 are the only polygons. And we have to find out which are convex polygon. So convex polygon is the polygon which is having interior angles less than 180 and no sides or vertices point inward. That means the only convex polygon will be second one. So we can simply write the convex polygon is second. And which one is concave polygon? Concave polygon is where at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree and causing the part of the shape to cave in or point inward. So the only figure which fulfills this condition is first one. So it is concave polygon. So let's write it down. First one is the concave polygon. So we have classify all of the given figures that which one it counts. So hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.